I welcome you to this super good lesson of this afternoon. This is week 2 of online lessons, okay? I welcome everybody, and I want to request that we shall all pay attention. For those who do not remember what we learned in the previous lesson, let me share so that we are able to see, okay? Let me share so that we see what we learned in the last lesson, the previous lesson. Hey, avoid talking vernacular in my lesson. Stop talking vernacular in my lesson.
That is not on.
Hey, I'm talking to those who are doing that.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher.
Yes, please.
Sorry, you are speaking vernacular.
Gloria, that's very bad, and you should not do that. Okay, I want to share my screen right now. Our dear parents, I request we don't talk in the lesson.
Teacher, I was not speaking vernacular.
In our last lesson, we learned about a compass and the compass direction.
I wasn't speaking vernacular.
We also looked at cardinal and semi-cardinal points of a compass, okay? So we said a compass is an instrument that is used to find direction of places. Then we said a compass direction is a symbol.
This is not the person. The person.
A compass direction is a symbol that shows direction on a map, okay? We looked at cardinal points and said that those are the major points of a compass. We even mentioned them that we have north, we have east, we have south, and we have west. Then we also looked at the semi-cardinal points, and we said that the semi-cardinal points are points that lie, that are found halfway between cardinal points, okay? And now this diagram here shows those points of ours, okay? North is here. I hope you all can see it. North is here. It is a cardinal point. East is here. It's a cardinal point. South is a cardinal point. And west is a cardinal point. Then now I want to show same cardinal points. Same cardinal points are found between the cardinal points. For example, northeast. For example, southeast. For example, southwest. And for example, northwest. Okay, so that was our last lesson. Now, in our today's lesson, by the end, everybody should be able to tell direction of places using a compass direction. Okay, that is what we are supposed to learn. Then also everybody should be able to mention groups of people who use a compass in their daily work. Groups of people who use a compass in their daily work. Now, the map I've shared right about now, I want you to study it properly, okay? I've shared this map. We want to know if there is a place here. How can you tell the direction on the map, okay? So I want to again use a pen and I show you. For example, the question we have here as number 1 says, what is the direction of 93 from 67? Okay. What's the direction of 93 from 67? 93 is a place, okay? And according to this map, it is here. 93 is here. Then 67 is here. And now the question is saying, what is the direction of 93 from 67? This means we are at 67. So when you are at 67, what is the direction of 93? So we shall go to our map. We go to 67, where 67 is. And it is here, I hope everybody can see it, okay? So when you are at 67, which direction do you see? 93. I advise that if we are to do that very well, you come to 97, you make there a small compass direction, okay? Like this. We all know this is north. We all know this is south. We all know here is east. And we all know here is west, okay? Now from here, when you're going this side to the right, which direction are you going to in the chat box? So according to this, what is the direction of 93 from 67? We are using the chat box. I want to see the super person who will send first. The super boy and the super girl will send me the answer first. Ibra, thank you. Your answer is very correct. Ibra, your answer is correct. If I can get another person or two, then I will know my good children are understanding the lesson.
Yes, teacher.
Can we text in the chat box? Atwine, try. Cassava has already tried. Yasina, Baba, Morgan, Nakamate. I see the answer has come right now. Abalet, thank you. Your answer is super correct. So far I have 2 people, and they are all from that scenario. Now I have people. Nakamate, thank you. Okay, that's enough. Our answer is east. Okay, the answer is east. The direction of 93 from 67 is east. We can either write east as a full word, east. In our chat box, let me write for you what we can write, okay? We can say east, comma, or you can simply write letter E, okay? Letter E to be a short form for east, okay? Then you can say eastern direction. You can use any of those 3, okay? You can say east, you can say letter E, a capital E, or you can say eastern direction. So let's find out another, let's find the direction of another place. We are at number 2. We are at number 2. Number 2 says, in which compass direction is 18 from 64? 18 from 64. Okay? 18 from 64. That means when we are at 64, what is the direction of 18? When we are standing at place called 64, in which direction do we see 18? That's the meaning of this question that says, in which compass direction is 18 from 64? So what we shall do, we shall first identify those two, okay? We shall first identify those two. We shall first look for 18, then we also look for 64. For example, I'm trying to look for 64. I haven't seen it. If you see it first, you can show it to me. 64, I have seen it. It is here. Then 18. Where is 18, my good people? Let me check it out. May God help me to see it. Oh, 18 is here. I hope we are all seeing. Some people have even sent in the chat. Nakamate, your answer is already correct, okay? Now, children, what do we do? What is the direction of 18 from 64? It means we are standing at 64, okay? We be at 64, then we make there a compass, okay? Like this. Here is north, everybody knows that. Here is east, everybody knows that. Here is south, everybody knows that. And here is west, everybody knows that. So we shall move from here, we go to 18. So when we are moving like that, in what direction are we going? That direction is called west. Very good. Kasova, thank you. Abarit, thank you. Nakamate Viola, thank you. You have answered super correctly. That direction is west. Or we can say western direction. But we don't say west direction English there. You will have failed English. Okay, I want us to go to number 3. Now you are making me very happy. I want us to go to number 3. Number 3. If Peter lives in area 22, okay? Peter lives in area 22 and Paul lives in area 32. Let's first identify those places. 22 is here. Who lives in area 22? That is Peter. The one they call Peter, in good English. Peter lives in 22. That's right there. His name. Peter is right there. Then Paul lives in area 32. Let's look for 32 also. 32 is here, okay? You have seen 32, all of you. So, in which direction is Peter from Paul? In which direction is Peter from Paul? In other words, when you're in a place, Vanessa, stop annotating my work, my dear daughter. Or if you want, I can give you permission to do so, but you don't do that unless teacher has allowed you. Not so, my daughter. Yeah, you don't do that. Okay. So the question says, in which direction is Peter from Paulo? So remember, Peter is here. Then Paul is here. Paulo is here. So who wants me to allow you to show us how to do this number? Vanessa, stop annotating. Again, you want me to disable that? Because I want us to use it as we learn, okay? Don't misbehave, my dear daughter. Over Vanessa, I am going to allow you now. You show us by annotating, you show us how we should answer this question. Vanessa, show us how we can go about it. In which direction is Peter from Paul? When you are at Paul, in which direction is Peter? Is what we want. I see the answers coming through. Unfortunately, they are all incorrect. Abaret, it is incorrect. Nakamate, it is incorrect. Abaret, again, it is incorrect. Nobody can try this by annotating with this pen. Okay, you seem not to know. Okay. Now, my dear people, my good people, actually, you are not just dear people, but you are very nice people. I want us to discover how we can do this. Here. This is how we can do that. If they say, what is the direction over, in which direction is Paul, is Peter? Peter is here, remember. So they want the direction of here, of 22. When you are at Paul, when you are at 32. So we shall come to 32. You make there a compass, clear? Whereby this shall become north. This one becomes west. This one is east. We all know that, okay? Now, when we want to go where Peter is, we shall start from here. Then we go like this, like this. It may not be straight, but we shall do our best. Okay? It should have been straight, okay? You will forgive me for that. So which direction is that? Which direction is that?
Teacher, me.
Yes, you.
Northeast.
Northeast is the correct answer, Abalet. Thank you so much. Can I see by use of a hat, those who have understood how we go about that, how we do that? Kagoda, you have not said the word in my lesson. Do we have some people who have understood what to do? Yes, Abaret, Muhammad, there is someone here. So the answer is northeast. Very good. So the first stage is to first identify those places, okay? They are asking about. If it is 22, if it is what, okay? Because now in the future, you'll find that they're actually giving you, for example, they can say here is they can use names of places. They can use names of places. For example, they can say here is Kasese. You can say here is Kasese. Then they can say here is they can say here is Moroto. They can say here is what? Moroto. Then I ask, what's the direction of Kasese from Moroto? What is the direction of Kasese from Moroto? What is the direction of Kasese from Moroto? Let me see if I have my champions who know how to do that. What's the direction of Kasese from Moroto? Yes, Kasova. Kasova?
Northwest.
You explain.
Northwest. Northwest.
You explain. We want the direction of Kasese from Moroto. If they say Kasese from Moroto, it means when you are in Moroto, what's the direction of Kasese? That's what we mean when we say Kasese from Moroto. And that answer is not correct, Ibra.
Southwest.
Can you easily use, have you known how to use this pen or you don't know? How I wish you would do it the way I'm doing it. Eh? You show us where Moroto is, what? Hmm?
West. Southwest.
But are you not hearing what I'm saying, Ibra? Hmm?
Yes.
How? You are saying southwest. Can you easily show it to us? You cannot. Okay. So we say it was the direction of Kasese from Moroto. If they say Kasese from Moroto, my dear children, it means we are all where? In Moroto. Kasese from Moroto means we are in Moroto. Then where is Kasese? So you stand in Moroto and make there a campus, okay? This is south, this is east, this is west, okay? That is west. So what do? We start from the middle here, then we go to where Kasese is. Okay, so from here we go towards Kasese. We go to Kasese. We are now in Kasese. Then this campus was right. Now, what direction can you see that we took to go to Kasese? Here is what direction here. There is what direction, my good people? Answer from everybody. What direction have we seen? From Moroto, when we are going to Kasese, what direction do we take? Yes, my super children, super kids. I want the answer. In the, the good people are bringing now. Southwest, thank you, Muhammad. Southwest is the answer, clear? Now, I want to believe that most of us have understood this, okay? But I will still give another example. I will still give another what? Sorry, let me first clean up here. Let me first clean up here. Now, what I want to do before I go to another thing, I want you to choose a person according to this map I've put. Your friend in the whole class, you ask them what's the direction of, you choose your own two places, then you ask them the answer, they give it to you. Let me see someone who has a friend who wants to play that game already in our class. You choose a friend, you ask them what's the direction of, let me say 18 or whatever, according to your choice. Where are those good people who already have friends and they want to ask them? So now I've asked you mine and you have all passed. Now I want to see you ask yourselves. Who? Nobody?
Muhammad.
Kasoba wants to ask Muhammad. Do. Ask her, Ibra.
Show me the direction. Show me the direction. Kampala, India.
Direction of what and what?
Kampala to Ginger. Kampala and Ginger.
But Kampala is not shown here. Eh? I want you to use the figures because on the map we can only see figures, okay?
Okay. Show me the 52 to 22.
What and what?
Show me the direction of 52 and 13.
52 and 13. Aha, Muhammad, 52 and 13. Me, I've already seen 52 from 13, okay? You don't say 52 and 13, but you say 52 from 13. Ah, I have seen 13 even me. But Muhammad has not yet seen it. What's the direction of 52 from 13? About we had a part look for those 13 is here, Muhammad. Then 52 is here. So he's asking, what's the direction of 52 from 13? Ibra has asked you. Muhammad, are you answering? He wants the direction of 52 from 13. Ibra, you can answer. I think these people are not answering. Ibra, answer by yourself. Oh, Muhammad has answered, but he answered wrongly. Even Kasoba Ibra has answered, but has answered wrongly. Okay. When we say the direction of 52, when we say 52 from 13, it means we are in 13, not so. 52 from 13 simply means we are standing at 13. Then we make a sketch of the campus at 13. Then we move up to 52, we see which direction it is. And the way I see that 52 is in northwest from 13, okay? It is northwest from 13. Are you seeing? So we got 13 here. We make a campus. Then from here we go. You see how it is northeast, my people? Because it cannot be north. If it was to be north, it means we would be going up. It cannot be west. If it was to be west, it means we would be moving like this. And it cannot be east. If it was to be east, it means you put me going like this. So it is north. It is north west. Clear? Yeah. I think right now we should look at groups of people. who use a compass, not so? To look at groups of people who use a compass in their work. Where has Abaret gone? Groups of people who use a compass in their work. And here are the people. Let me first clean up. Sorry. On the first slide, we have sailors. These are people traveling on water. We have pilots. We have guides. We have mountain climbers. Then this side, we have tourists. We have people called astronauts, soldiers or the army, and surveyors, okay? Astronauts are people who move to the sun or to the moon. The space scientists, people who do a lot with the space, who go up very far. We call them astronauts. Then tourists, those are people moving to visit places. You have soldiers, you have surveyors, people who measure around and survey it very well. Then mountain climbers, guides, scouts, soldiers, pilots. Those groups of people use a compass in their daily work. How is a compass important to these people? A compass helps them to find direction of places where they are going. Because as you can see, most of these people are travelers. Most of these people are what? Travelers. They are traveling, they are going here and there, isn't it? So it helps, a compass helps them to see to find the direction of places where they are going, since those people are travelers. Now here we are going to see some questions so that I see whether you have understood the work. Check for understanding. How is the compass important? Is question number 1. How is the compass important? Someone with the answer, unmute and give it out. How is the compass important? Unmute and give it to me. Kagoda, can I hear from you? Even see your video? Yes, my sister Mama, thank you, but let me first hear from Kagoda. She has been so quiet. Eh? Kagoda, put your video. I want to see you, then I want to hear from you also. Kagoda seems not to be around. Atwine Sandra, how is the compass important? Yes, Atwine. Unmute. Okay, Muhammad, these people are seriously writing. What are you writing, Sandra? Muhammad, tell us the answer.
A compass shows direction of places.
Thank you so much. You're the best. What is the direction of Ankole from Toro? That one you have to get it on the map. Okay? That one you get it from the map. What's the direction of Ankole from Toro? You guys are busy writing. What are you writing? When this work is already in Google Classroom. What is the direction of Ankole from Toro? What's the answer? Ankole from Toro. That means Ankole is here. Everybody can see it. Everybody can see Ankole here. Ankole is here. I have put the letter A. Then Toro is here. I have put the letter T. What's the direction of Ankole from Toro? It means we are in Toro, okay? If we are in Toro, where do we see Ankole? Muhammad, once again, you tell us, these people are so quiet.
South.
South is the correct answer. And may God bless you so much. Number 3. What is the direction of Usoga from Ankole? Now everybody should go to the chat box. What's the direction of Usoga from Ankole? What's the direction of Busoga from Ankole? Everybody has got to type. Chat box, chat box, chat box. What's the direction of Toro? Sorry, of Busoga from Ankole. When we are in Ankole, in which direction do we see Busoga? Chat box, I'm waiting. Sandra, this time, do something. I'm waiting in the chat. Answers have started coming in. Hope it is from Sandra. It's not from Sandra, unfortunately. Yes, now that is wrong. Nakamate, that is wrong. We want the direction of Busoga. We want to know where Busoga is found. If we are at Ankole. What's the direction of Busoga from Ankole? It means when you are in Ankole, the last one to be mentioned is where you start from. Not so. What's the direction of Busoga from Ankole? It means we are in Ankole. Then where is Busoga? So from Ankole, let me use this pen again. From Ankole, we go to where? To Busoga. What's the direction of Busoga from Ankole? Let me see. Maybe people have said the answer. Now see this one. Nakamate Glory. Nakamate, that answer is not correct, my sister. You people, this is not east. East is straight here. Eh? The direction here, you can see where the line passes, is between east and north. What is that direction which is between east and north? East is this one which continues this side. But this one is between east and north. What's the direction called? That is called northeast. Okay, that's called northeast. Our time is getting over. We have less than a minute. The exercise is being shared in our Google Classroom. Go there and do it, and may God bless you all. How is a sailor able to find direction of places where he's going? By using a compass. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, Nakamate and everybody.